Hi guys, my name's Chris. I'm just doing a quick short video on the 6Cs and how to find a world-class property. So on the short video, I'm going to be doing the first C, which is capacity. So with the capacity, we just need to make sure the buy-to-let or the family-let properties, like I used to call them, are the right size. These should be 3 or 4 bedroom houses, not 1 or 2 bedroom houses, flats or accommodations. Why is that? Well, first of all, with flats and apartments, well, with a 1 bedroom flat really, the issue is that if somebody moves in and they meet somebody else who also lives in a 1 bedroom apartment, they fall in love and then they decide to move in together. So there's one. The average tenant changes on a family buy-to-let property cost about £1,500. So by the time you've factored in the void payments, letting agencies, liquor, paint, anything that's needed. Okay, so sometimes it's nothing, sometimes it's £3,000, but on an average it's about £1,500, and your tenant changes. So, but you think 1,500 on every time your tenant changes, that's quite a lot, isn't it? So that means over a decade you spend about 15 grand. So that soon adds up, doesn't it? If you think that's quite a lot. But then if you had 10 properties, that'd be 150 grand because you bought the wrong house. You buy a 2 bedroom house, somebody moves in with 1 child and they get pregnant again. Now they have 2 children and they need a 3 bedroom house. So you need to buy a 3 or 4 bedroom house properties. Okay, buying the right capacity. So I hope this makes sense to you. It is important to buy the 3 to 4 bedroom houses. So what you want in these 3 or 4 bedroom houses is what I call lifers. Okay, so this is someone who's going to stay there forever. The mum lives down the road, dad lives up the street, the kids are in a really good secondary school. So this is perfect. So there we go. I want to live here forever. Yeah, this is what we're after for these world-class properties. So if a door handle broken, for example, what would a lifer do? Well, they'll just change it themselves. If they wanted to start painting, they'll just phone you up. Say, oh, you know, do you mind if I paint? You give them the paint. You're like, no worries, you crack on. Okay, so your costs will come down with this as well. So you're going to be saving on the maintenance, as well as obviously all the other costs. So, sorry, it's a bit cold out here, that's why it's shaking. So, is a lifer more likely to pay the rent, or less likely? Well, in this case, obviously, it's more likely. So you want people who are going to stay long term. Okay, so when I started renting properties, I started putting people into my properties who I thought were like me. So the trouble was with that, every 12 months, so every 12 months they'd move, because with myself they either get promoted or found a new job, so then I would move towns or cities, and that's exactly what my tenants did. So they got a new job, got promotion, and they did exactly the same. So this was an issue with me. So like I said, so if you have a 3 or 4 bedroom, so far you like to find a lifer who likes to stay long term. Okay, I hope this makes sense. Like I said, this is the first C of the 6 Cs I'll be covering. And the next C, this was capacity in the first C's. The next C I will be filming will be on city. So if you like this, you can either subscribe or you can like below. And like I said, there are 6 C's to finding a world-class property. So looking forward to being with you on your journey, and any help I can do, just please leave a message below. Okay, thanks, bye bye.